Good morning. Today we are in B&Q. This is a DIY shop. We actually looking for apartment. I'm going to display a quick video of apartment, but the kitchen is not great. So we're here to look for a kitchen for the apartment. So yeah, so I want to take you along. If you can come along with me, this place is like the UK biggest department store where you can get almost to decorate from furniture to kitchen, bedroom, shower, almost everything. So come along, even gardens. So yeah, so come along, let's go to B&Q. In the UK, a lot of people call it DIY shop. So let me show you guys how outside look like, so that when you're here, you have idea how the shop look like. Are you ready? B&Q. Let's get in there. Let me show you guys what they have. All right, this is inside the B&Q. You can see already, this is where you can get. So we go there, that's where guys see you can get jacuzzi here. And the jacuzzi, I think the lazy one is going for 440. And they have a small one. Oh, it's a fire pit, wow. Outdoor fire pit, yeah? Wow. Look at this table here. This is like outdoor table. Look at how comfy they look. Yeah. So this one is very, very nice. You can actually press here, then you just go all the way down. So if you want to snooze in the garden, you don't want any noise. Jay is cooking, and I just want to get up and do some work on the table, then go back to snooze. You could just do that. How easy is that? It's £500. Yes. Now let's go to the other side. So this side is like where you get all the paints and everything. Like for example, like they have all these different type of painting, like interior and ceiling, walls and everything. And you can see, you can get almost every paint in here. So because they play music here, I have to use the noise cancelling. You can also get the paint mix here. So look, they do have a lot of decorating items like this one, ceiling lights. So you can see how they look like. All these amazing things here. And they also have this unique floaters or wall decoration. So for example, you could put this on the wall to make like a feature wall. Amazing things you can do inside here. Now I'm walking you to the most important parts of. Oh, they have the tiles here as well. Oh wow, this is quite cute. Doesn't have a lot of space, but
no.
Yeah.
Right, the space is your kitchen.
Wow. So, my sis, tell me, right? This is for mega houses, huh? Oh, wow. Yeah? This new one? I bet if you go look into the magazines.
Yeah, look. Kitchen design, finance, fitted.
So you bring the measurements, then they will do it for you.
They'll design it for you.
Oh, here is the office. Wow. So these things here, you can actually choose the type of cupboards you want. Maybe you might want the sandstone or you might want the gloss. Yeah, you can choose and they will design it for you. This one look like a, oh, look, the top look, yeah. So these are some of the worktops. Some of them look like granite. The stones are a little bit expensive. So you see this one have £3 signs.
Is that glossy?
No, it's not. It's like matte.
That doesn't work. You need to stand it next to it. Yeah. Or this. See, I think this and this look better.
Yeah, I think so.
Or even this, the dark grey.
It's the same, right?
Yeah, but it's gloss. This is matte.
This one is.
So look, straight away.
Oh yeah, the water, right? That's water matte. This is for the handle. So this is the black one we saw there, and they also have a white one, and they also have the olden days ones. But this is the one we chose. So I think it's quite matte and very very nice. Yeah. So if you bring your projects, they'll design it for you and make sure you want the cupboard size and how the kitchen look like, and then they'll process it for you. They're actually doing 40% off now. So if you look the cream, the light color actually goes with the look. Right, so this is quite a small kitchen with a hob and everything. You can see this one. But you can change the sink to gold or the black one if you want to. There's a lot of cupboard here, but it's actually going for 1,700. That's a fridge freezer in there. This can actually fit about 12. Yeah. Wow. Guys, let me show you guys how this kitchen look like, right? This kitchen here, I want to put a camera here to show you guys how it actually look like. Yeah, it's amazing. Like the drawers are soft close, and they also have boxes like fridge freezer, almost anything fit your kitchen. Have a note of it. So with our small plate, the big plate could go here. The small plate could go there. It's the same size, isn't it?
Oh, this is nice. Although I don't. So I would say this kitchen is.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is the bathrooms. So if you want to use these tiles for your bathroom, let me actually get closer so you can see. This is actually how they look like in the bathrooms. So you can see. So if you want to use this or a white one for some trendiness, you can use all this. Then the bathroom products are all here. So this is how your bathroom will look like. Beautiful bathroom, look. And this one look exactly like this. Look how posh this bathroom look like. You can imagine having a bath here. Your towels are all here, and then dressing up here. Beautiful, beautiful. And this shower, massive one as well. Look, wow, this is so nice. Well, guys, let's continue. So, guys, this is actually how your garden will actually look like. It's very, very low, babe. This is very low. This is very, very low. I don't think the chair is very high. The chair is not high. Well guys, this table here is going for 675, but look at the space. So if you have a house, your garden is actually amazing. Like when you look behind me there, so imagine it's sunny and you have this here. That's perfect. Well, thank you so much. If you did enjoy this amazing video, consider sharing this video and like the video.